we have defined so many informations, factors about thermodynamics yesterday, including the topics, systems, surrounding, boundary, kinds of systems, the various kinds of systems as closing systems, insulated systems, open systems, homogeneous system and heterogeneous system. Now let us proceed this thermodynamics today further. The next topic I will deliver today on state function, and that is of path functions. Whole thermodynamics is based on the thermodynamic quantities which are going to be used here, like Gibbs free energy, enthalpy, entropy, internal energy, work and heat. How these physical quantities which play their important role to express, to derive the equations, it becomes essential to define their representation, their role in thermodynamics here. And it becomes very essential to convert, to write down these thermodynamic quantities in exact ways here. How these quantities will be converted, this physical quantity will be transferred from one form to that is of another form here. I am writing here on the blackboard here two groups of the thermodynamic quantities. Group A include here as that is of Gibbs free energy symbolized by G, enthalpy H, entropy S, Helmholtz free energy A, U or E denotes here as that is of internal energy. Similarly, I include here in group B two important physical quantities, that is work and that is of heat, which is symbolized by that is of Q. Now I have what would be the correct variation method to write from group A. First one, it would be the correct dg. Second, it would be the correct that is of del g. Third one, delta g, and that is of partially delta g. Students actually get confused here how the thermodynamic quantities I have included in group A, which will be the correct method for variation, for changing here. Let us, I select here from group A G as Gibbs free energy, and four options I have mentioned here on the blackboard here: dg, del g, delta g and partially delta g. Generally students put down their mark as options, that is of which would be the correct here. Student get confused. The response of the student on these questions that all 1, 2, 3 and 4 would be the correct here. But I would like to suggest to you the variation of thermodynamic quantities are very typical to write, to derive their equations here. Here, my question once again I repeat here, what would be the correct variation method, what would be the right changing method to write from group A. For these questions, various thermodynamic quantities I have mentioned here: G Gibbs free energy, H enthalpy, S entropy, A Helmholtz free energy, U or E that is of internal energy. Generally, normally students respond A would be the correct, 2 would be the correct, third would be the correct, fourth would be the correct. But the correct answer for their variation method of these physical quantities, these thermodynamic quantities, I have mentioned on the blackboard in group A, that is of dg would be the correct, dg will be the correct, incorrect in that is of incorrect. Similarly, in group B, the thermodynamic quantities I have mentioned here on the blackboard here, that is of work and that is of Q heat. Again, my questions to the students, my queries to the students, what will be the, again that is of correct variation method to write. From group B, I select here, I chose here, that is a work W, first one option dW, second one dW, third one that is of delta W, and that is of partially delta W here. So you know that students generally respond all the four options I mentioned here. From group B, for changing to right, work and Q would be the, this one correct, this one correct, this one correct, this one correct, or unnecessarily that is the crux answer they put down. But I would like to advise to you here for a correct answer here, that is the BW incorrect in reference of, in regard of work, del W incorrect, delta W partially, it would be the correct, and this will be the correct. Once again, my questions to the students, what will be the exact or correct variation or changing method to write down thermodynamic quantities here? In group A, the thermodynamic, important specific thermodynamic quantities I have mentioned here in group A, G, H, S, A, U, and E. Similarly, in group B, I include here W work and that is of heat. Now my question, first question number 1, that is of question number that is of 1, and that is of question number that is of 2 here. Suppose I select here, I choose one thermodynamic quantity gives free energy. Why I choose? Because why I have chosen here? Because the rest process to vary for changing are the same here. In that job, I asked the questions, what would be the correct method to write, to change for variation method of these thermodynamic quantities I have mentioned on the blackboard here. Generally, cross answer students give, it will be the correct, or sometimes he put down, most of these students put down that is of correct, incorrect. But the exact exact answer given by the students, it must be given, dg will be the correct, delta G it will be the correct, and third and fourth it is the correct answer. It will be the incorrect, fourth delta G it will be the incorrect. Similarly, suppose I choose here that is of next thermodynamic quantities from group B, work. Again, my question number 2, what will be the correct answer to write down thermodynamic quantity of work? Generally, dW, delta W, I think here first option answer that is of incorrect, correct, and correct. In order to express these distinction fundamental difference here, to represent here the conceptual of that is of state function and path functions have been invented here in this, that is of thermodynamic chemistry. State function and path function. State function are also known as exact differential. Path function is also known as that is of inexact differential. Exact differential is also known as fully differential, or that is of partially differential here. In compact form, I would like to express a state function that is of SF and that is of path function. In compact form, in abbreviated form, I would like to write here as that is of PF here. First of all, in order to define here as that is of SF, suppose that is of first one that is of SF. I am going to define here that is of SF. Generally, first one that is of SF, state functions are those functions depending upon that is of state 1 but independent upon that is of a path. Such functions are known as that is of state function. Dear students, how we define state functions? State functions In point number 1, I have coded here, I have write down here, state functions are those functions depending upon state but independent upon path here. Now what are questions now becomes arises here, what are those state function who dependent upon state but independent upon path function here. In order to explain here, I am writing here one living species here. In order to explain about writing species that is of which is present, which is start to move on this route, on this, that is of a path at state 1 S1. He is eating the breakfast, its weight that is of 400 grams after 4 hours. After reaching its weight will be its energy, its breakfast will be definitely be reduced here from 200 to that is of 300 grams. Since lunch or breakfast living species which is starting from state S1 to S2, at state S1 its weight that is of 4 gram, weight that is to classify as that is of energy after 4 hours. You know that here its weight decreases here 200 to 300 grams. Since lunch, breakfast which we are taking, the meal which we are using, which we are eating after in before state 1 its weight that is of 400 and state 2 that is of decreases, reduces here 200 to 300 grams here. It is kinds of energy, meal, food, breakfast, lunch kinds of energy. Hence all the energies including that is of gives free energy, it is a kinds of energy, enthalpy, H, entropy, S, and that is of Helmholtz free energy, A, U, and E. These all energy can be categorized, can be classified into that is of state function, and their variation, exact symbol, it would be that is of by representation here, exact that is of D and that is of del here. Their variation will be symbolized to write by exact method as that is of D and that is of del here. Once again I repeat here, state functions are those functions dependent upon state. All the energies which are depending upon state and the energies, all the kinds of energy of the universe, one can categorize, one can classify, one can include these quantities as that is of state function. And in group A, and their variation to write in method will be symbolized by that is of D and that is of del. Similarly, hence DG will be the correct and delta will be the that is of correct answer here. Similarly, now question is now arises here. Similarly, that is of similarly for enthalpy, similarly for that is of H, that is of enthalpy, DH and that is of del H will be the correct answer. These were the important information with their exact variation will be symbolized by that is of dg and that is of del g. Now what is the fundamental difference between that is of dg and that is of del g here? You know, one important equation I am writing here, that is of dg and that is of dg. Fundamental that is of to write here 1 and that is of 2, dg is equals to g2 minus g1 is equals to that is of del g. Infinitesimal change for that is of infinitesimal, for infinitesimal that is of change and that is of finite, that is of finitesimal that is of change. Here I am mentioning here, I am writing here that is of, in order to explain about that is of dg, it means that is a minor change, that is of minor change, and here that is of major change here. In order to explain the difference between that is of small d and that is of del, I am writing here, I am shifting here, I am putting down this duster at the corner of this on this table here. Now I shift, I give that is of the moment here. First one minor shifting, and second one that is of two types of the shifting. This one from this large gap is shifted by the duster here. Once again, the moment of this duster on the table I am keeping here, I am putting it down on the table here. Two types of the shifting process I have been taken into account here. First one, that is of minor shifting. It will be symbolized by that is of D. Minor change of distance, this duster, it will be classified into D, and that is of major changes. It will be included into that is of del G. Minor change, which is also known as that is the infinitesimal minor change, that is of D, and major change, shifting of which is to be measured. Measuring thing, measurable, which can be measured, which can be seen very easily, it will be known as that is of del. And minor thing, minor changes, it will be categorized, it will be included into as that is of a minor thing. It is the fundamental. I think there are two types of the changes for thermodynamic quantities here. That is a minor change, small d, and that is of major change. In this thermodynamic quantity will be classified into the form of, into the symbol of del G. Rest path functions we will discuss that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.